What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a slick pom-pom ponytail, so keep on watching if you want to see the process. So I just washed my hair and I left a little bit of this Argan oil conditioner. And then I'm going to take my Cantu leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to apply that all over my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and start parting my hair. I'm going to be doing a zigzag side part. Alright, so after I have my part the way that I want it, I'm just going to grab a brush and start smoothing down my hair. And I'm going to make sure that each line of the part is visible. Take some EcoStyler gel, and I'm going to put that all over the front of my hair so it's nice and smooth and it'll stay all day. Then I'm just going to go in with the brush a little bit more just to make sure it's extra smooth. Okay, moment of truth. I'm going to grab a hair tie and try to wrap it around my hair 3 or 4 times. Okay, so once my ponytail is in, I'm going to separate it in half, and then I'm just going to, again, go in with my spray bottle and a little bit more leave-in conditioner and make sure it's really smooth. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and do my edges off camera. Now that my edges are laid, I'm going to go ahead and create the pom-pom sort of part of my ponytail by just adding some hair ties like 2 inches apart from each other. Once that's done, I'm going to make sure the curls at the end of my ponytail are nice and defined. I'm going to go in with my Denman brush and brush it just a little bit to make sure that the curls are smooth and defined. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos.